That looks like a fun job to be a guide on a raft. That doesn't surprise me at all, Sofie. In fact, being a guide is not one of your strengths. When I read your writing, I'm always getting lost because you jump from one idea to the next. You need to guide your readers through what you are trying to say. I get it. Most of us write like that. But after we write a draft, we have to decide the best order for our ideas so the readers understand what we mean. That's where transitional words come in. Transitional words move readers from one idea to the next. For example, I might write, I like whitewater rafting because it is exciting. The word because transitions the reader into the reason why I like whitewater rafting. Your job as a writer is to anticipate where your readers need transitional words so they don't get lost. There are many excellent transitional words to guide your readers through your writing, such as also, nevertheless, therefore, first, and finally. Yes, it's helpful to guide your readers through your writing with transitional words. So, Sofie, are you ready to go whitewater rafting now?